2 TS Galaxy North Mamelodi Sundowns. Sanibona bafethu uvana lo. So namhlanje ngizokhuluma le game ade siyibuka namhlanje kodwa kuyigame emnandi indlela eyisimanga. Sibona ama-team awu2 edlala nje ibhola elimnandi indlela eyisimanga bafethu. Izinto ke mezimi kanje iMamelodi Sundowns isiphumile kumncintiswano we-Nedbank Cup. Ama-team ke asequalifyile for ama-quarter finals, iqualifyile bafethu. AmaZulu izolo awinile amaZulu ashaya iRichards Bay naku ke namhlanje iTS Galaxy iba yenye yama-team awinile namhlanje. So ngizokhuluma nje ngalomdlalo lo indlela ama-team omabili edlale ngakhona. For me TS Galaxy ikhombisile indlela adela ngakhona ukuthi iyafuna ukuwina lo mdlalo lo and bakhombisile ukuthi badlala ne-team enkulu okuyiMamelodi Sundowns. So abakhombisanga ukuthi bayisaba bayihlalele emuva kakhulu, cha abakwenzanga lokho. Benze sure ukuthi iMamelodi Sundowns bayidominator, iMamelodi Sundowns bayixena kakhulu yenza ama-mistakes lapha emuva, bakwazi ukuthi ba-equalize, bakwazi ukuthi bakora amagoli njalo bange-equalize, bakore nje amagoli benze sure ukuthi bayikhipha. For me iSundowns le game la ayithathanga serious. To be honest ayithathanga serious. Uma usubheka nje i-lineup yakhona eMamelodi Sundowns ayidlalanga ngalabadlali abayijolo ukuqala ngabo, labadlali esibaziyo Sundowns ehlezi iwina ngabo, yabo. And lokho for me kukwenzile ukuthi Sundowns ishawe le game le. Iye leyo nto enye yezinto eyenza ukuthi Sundowns ishawe, enye futhi yezinto eyenza Sundowns ingayiwini le game le ukuthi le game le ithathiwe yodlalelwa le eSolomon Mahlangu lapho khona igame adu sold out. Njoba adu sold out nje iSundowns ade iqala ukubona sold out after many games mangadlali Orlando Pirates noma engadlali neKaizer Chiefs, because siyazi Sundowns ijwayele ukuthola sold out midlala nePirates noma neKaizer Chiefs, but ke bakwazile ukuthola usold out namhlanje bedlala le eSolomon Mahlangu lapho khona ade khona ama 5000 spectators ade zobukela igame. So leya pitch leya ibimnandi kakhulu because abadlali ibhola kade bedlala khona nje la, yabo. Ibhola meliphuma liyashesha ukuphuma ibhola, so inkundla ke bincane kamnandi biyenza igame ibe mnandi kakhulu inkundla, because bengekho lento leyo kunweba ibhola kakhulu, cha belidlalwa nje phansi ibhola, melinweba ibhola abadlali bagijime bayoshaya igoli, yabo. So ngizokhuluma ngalestra kunomdlali lapha uGqu number 9, I think uyena lo mdlali uMengaphosisi, yabona lo amdlali wabafethu TS Galaxy lo amjida unamandla, lo amjida lwana angazi udlala kanjani, but ke unaleso strength bethu udlalisa kwa Haaland bethu indlela adlala ngakhona. Lo amjida usazoya phambili, akhona ama-team asazomfuna la kuBetway Premiership indlela adlala ngakhona. Ungichazile indlela adlala ngakhona bafethu. Michael Cardoso kule game le uyigwaze ngowakhe umkhonto, uyigwaze nje ngowakhe umkhonto. Yes, sometimes kumele urotate, but ke ukurotate kwi-cup competition njenge-Nedbank Cup ukuyiriske kakhulu, because le cup competition le kungaba iyona ndebe kuphela iMamelodi Sundowns ebingayiwina ukube mhlambe bakwazi ukuthi badlale with first team yayo. Ukube bakwazi ukubadlale with first team bebengazama ukuthi bayiwine le cup competition le, because there is no guarantee ukuthi bazoyiwina i-league. Ayikho guarantee ukuthi bazoyiwina i-Champions League. Njobe ingekho nje i-guarantee lapho. If bedliwa kwi-league bengayiwini i-league ithathwe i-Orlando Pirates, Champions League mhlawumbe ithathwe enye team. Michael Cardoso, what was the reason of urestisa abadlali kule game namhlanje? To be honest ngekazasho Michael Cardoso, but ke it seems like ke khona iplan iMamelodi Sundowns ezanayo, asazi kodwa kwenzakalani, because I remember Fleming Beck washo ukuthi yena ngokwakhe lapha iSundowns each and every competition ekhona kuBetway Premiership kumele iwinwe iMamelodi Sundowns, because isquad esispenda kakhulu. Each and every competition ekhona nje la kwi-PSL, but ke namhlanje baphumile yet again on another competition. Wena ungangitshela ngokwakho TS Galaxy bafithi iyadlula namhlanje, but ke to be honest there was a goalkeeper, yabona lo goalkeeper lo uvimbela iTS Galaxy, lo goalkeeper bafethu, lo goalkeeper bafethu kunamanye ama-saves awashaya namhlanje, obubona kahle ukuthi TS Galaxy la bayinquma ngempela, but ke indlela ade vimba ngakhona lo amjida lo ubonile ngempela ukuthi uyafuna ukuthi le team le iphumelele iye phambili. I don't know why engayitholanga i-man of the match lo goalkeeper. For me bengamnikeza lo goalkeeper man of the match, naye bafethu goalkeeper Mamelodi Sundowns Onyango nabe ekhona ama-saves Onyango ade washaya, yabona namhlanje ugoalkeeper akade begezwa ngempela, ade beshawa ngempela ugoalkeeper namhlanje. Ama-team mo2 beshisa, yabo. Truth be told ama-team mo2 beshisa, it's just that TS Galaxy ikwazi ukuthi iwathola amagoli amabili first half, ikwazi ukuthi igame icontrol kahle second half. Into eyenzile ngiyithandile TS Galaxy ayivumelanga ukuthi iMamelodi Sundowns ilibambe kakhulu ibhola, yabo. Lento ehlala kakhulu emuva iyona eyenza ama-team amaningi kuBetway Premiership asheshe ashayeke. Musana ukuvumela iSundowns ilithathe kakhulu ibhola iliphathe, because the more iliphatha iMamelodi Sundowns ibhola that is where ama-team amaningi eshawa khona. Yes usuyalida-ke right now ulida ngo-2-0 but-ke ungayivumeli i-Sundowns iliphathe ibhola, ngcono licontrolwe yiwena kube iyona i-Sundowns ezojaha lona ibhola, yabo. Iyo le game physical, yabo. They were physical abadlali be-TS Galaxy. I saw a lot of fouls adalwa abadlali be-TS Galaxy. For me bengawanikeza ama-red card lapha, but-ke it seems like kukho urefi yena ube uphethe kahle ke umdlalo because ubengafuni ukuthi abadlali baphume, befuna nje umdlalo ube mnandi, yabo. TS Galaxy ke bafethi iwinile. Wona ungangitshela ukuthi le game le ibinjani for wena. Mina nje ngokwami I think Orlando Pirates kule competition iyona kuphela i-team ene-chance ukuthi ithathe le ndebe le, but-ke asazi, I'm just saying. Naye Orlando Pirates iyadlala namhlanje, idlala against i-Kaizer Stars. Let's see ukuthi Orlando Pirates izokwenza njani kuleyo game.